Taking a look at this carbon monoxide sensor, and it's pretty simple to use. You just turn it on with the power button here. Once it's on, it's going to monitor both carbon monoxide, it's going to monitor temperature, and it's going to measure humidity with an alarm. And you can see it's going through the testing there. We're getting 46% humidity. It's about to rain. 86 degrees, and our CO2 is, well, I'm outside, so it's not too bad. This is great for vehicles. This is great for boats or aircraft. For vehicles where you have to worry about some kind of a link into the cabin, this can have a 300-hour standby time as it's monitoring, and it'll give you an alarm if the CO2 reaches a level. It's a very rugged and durable unit. It recharges with USB-C on the side there. There's a monitor of the battery level here. Simple to keep track of. There's a lanyard on the side from Lensly. I want to thank them for sending us this one to check out. Hope this helps.